Hi guys! Welcome to my channel, Stories of Mama Naini, and welcome to our car. Yan. As you can see, naka-plastic pa siya. Bagong-bago. So join me as I unpack. Basta tatanggalin natin yung plastic. And let's talk about this car. This is actually a Suzuki 2024 Dzire, which is something that we acquired yesterday. So I'm gonna share how we got it. Sa mga hindi nakakaalam, I'm currently unemployed and my husband is an OFW. So paano namin nakuha yung car with me as the parang principal borrower? Ayan, kasi niloan namin siya sa isang bank. So I'm gonna tell you the details, but for now, let's try to remove the plastics and I'm gonna show you what you could see from the dashboard. And please, hindi po ako marunong mag-drive at konti lang talaga ang alam ko sa sasakyan. Ang alam ko lang mag-turn on, which I learned this morning, less than 5 hours ago. Kasi kailangan paandarin and no one can actually drive pa this time kasi nga wala pa siyang ORCR, and my son is still learning and he needs to get his license soon. He'll be 18 soon. So yeah, for next time na yan na video, but for now, let's remove the plastics. Let's start with my chair. Puro plastic pa talaga. Actually, the manager of Suzuki offered natanggalin na siya yesterday, but I said no. Isip ko I still need to do this for the vlog. O, diba? For the vlog. Hindi pala siya madaling tanggalin. Saglit. Guys, pinawisan ako ng maraming singot. Ayan. Okay, natapos ko na siya. Flip it. Alright. Ayan. Okay, let's continue. Let's remove the plastics. Ayun guys, natanggal ko na yung plastic sa chairs. Maybe marami pang parts dito na may mga plastic. But for now, let's continue. So, saan ba tayo magsisimula? Okay. I'm gonna give you a little tour. I'm gonna show you the car, right? So, this is the dashboard. Dashboard ba ang tawag dito? Alam ko dashboard eh. Yan. This is closer look. Alright, so Android and Apple pwede raw dito. There's the radio. These are the buttons. Of course, ito kung paano yung flow ng air, yung AC, and ayan, parang manual and automatic pwede sa car na to. Hindi ko masyado ma-explain, but yes, manual and automatic. Ayan. So hindi pa ano yung seat cover niya, it's still parang ang tawag dito cloth. Yan. Ayan sa likod, and it has an aircon din sa likod. Yeah, let me give you a better view. Yan. Charger. Right, ito. Meron din charger. USB. And USB. Right. And there you go. Sa gilid. That's what we have. Automatic, button na yung mga windows. Kasi yung ibang Suzuki, naka-ano pa siya, parang yung niro-roll down to open. Ayan, ganyan siya. And yung buttons para sa trunk and for the fuel, nandyan siya. So when we got the car, meron siyang matting, meron siyang basic tools. Syempre, covered na rin yung insurance, warranty, and I'll try to put dito somewhere kung ano pa yung details na kasama when we got the car. And ano ba? Really, I'm really sorry I cannot tell much about a car because I'm not a driver or nor I know anything about car. But yes. So for a sedan and for its price, sabi nila okay na daw to. Okay din yung size kasi we were thinking about getting the espresso, pero nung yun yung ginamit na company car namin yesterday to go to the bank, ang liit pala ng espresso, so it's better na we decided to get the Desire kasi mas spacious siya. And by the way, papakita ko lang to sa iba pa. Ayan, so may dalawang ilaw. Dalawa ang ilaw. Kasi yung iba diba minsan dito lang, iba dito lang. Dalawa ang ilaw, airbag. Ayan. Tapos kasama pala sa ayan, napatint na namin siya. Kudos and shout out to Mr. Eric. Si Sir Eric ng Suzuki Lanang. Siya ang tumulong sa amin to get this car. He was so very detailed, very accommodating. Sinamahan niya talaga kami sa bank, hanggang bank sinamahan niya to make sure na ma-process ko ng maayos kasi wala nga din naman akong alam sa sasakyan, and even first time ko rin talagang mag-loan for a car. So, since nakita niyo na partially yung sa loob ng sasakyan, let's talk about how we got it. Kasi it was my husband who inquired about the car, and then yun nga, paano ba makakakuha ng sasakyan, wala dito si sir, siya yung parang source of fund, matatawag nating source of fund. So kailangan lang talaga i-detail at saka kailangan i-declare kung ano yung situation para malaman ni bank na si personal borrower, si principal borrower, ganito yung status niya, and parang yung tawag na may marital consent. Yun. So you can actually be a principal borrower even if you're unemployed. Yun. So nag-provide lang kami ng mga details, IDs, proof of billing, yung sa salary information ng husband, and yun lang naman actually. Try kong ilagay ang details ha, kung ano yung mga binigay, pero yun, you can actually loan for a car even if you are unemployed.